Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I am so excited today. I'm doing my first unboxing to start my journey, continuing my fit journey with Beachbody programs. I'm so excited. So today I am doing my first ever unboxing and I'm so excited to share with you. So here is the box, and I'm already like dressed into my my workout gear because I'm going to do it right after. So the program that I ordered today was the Barre program. I'm so excited to see what's in this box, open it with you, share some thoughts on it, and see how this is going to progress. So I'm excited. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I see when I open up is back of Shakeology Cafe Latte. I've had this before many times. I like it. I enjoy it. I make mine with almond milk and peanut butter. Actually I use PB2, which is better, less calories, and help you. And this is highly nutritious, has protein, super free antioxidant blend, super greens, adaptogen blend, pre and probiotics. And if you bring this to your doctor, they will tell you that it's okay for you to consume. I did with my doctor and she approved for me to have it. Tons of vitamins. If like you are like me, I hate taking vitamin supplements, so having this is a godsend. And they actually do call this superfood shake, and it has been approved to use this. Also, Cameron Barre, the girl from Fuller House, she actually drinks this as well. So I like it, I love it, and I'm excited to drink more of this. Also got a shaker here. I love shakers. I think they're great. I put my shake in it all the time. You also can do pre-workout in here, your post-workout. I have that too, and I'm going to share some stories about you with those as well. And let's see here. So this is pretty cool. I have never seen this before, so if you guys can see, it says I am daily motivation cards. So I will open this and see here some motivational cards. If you guys don't know my journey so far, I actually had a seizure and due to stress and everything like that. So I'm happy to be working on myself, looking at more of spiritual journey and trying to move my life in a more positive mindset direction. So I'm going to definitely be sharing some of that with you as well. But I opened up the cards and it says here, I am so excited to take you on this transformation journey for the next 2 months. So as you know, this is going to be a 60-day program. An essential element of this program is the overall well-being that accompanies the physical improvements. I created these daily motivation cards to help you find inspiration as you elevate to your full potential. Pull a card each day to empower your goals with joy and commitment. I'll see you at the bar. XO Elise. So Elise is going to be the personal trainer that is going to be helping us on this journey. And she's the one who helped create it, and she's going to share. She will be taking us through these next 60 days. Next. Oh, so cool. Like I said, Shakeology, a bunch of different recipes are on here. Tells you everything that's in here. Look, it has the calories. It has what's inside, super greens, like I said, super fruits, backed by science. Why is it important, etc., in here. All this information's in here, which is fantastic. Like I said, it is my doctor approved me to have it, so if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to drop comments. I will gladly tell you anything about these things. So I am sharing my own journey with it. Nobody else's, my own, okay? Here's some more Success Club stories in here. More recipes. You can't see for Shakeology. And the Get Started gift. So, get started. Let's open it. Let's see. Because like I said, today is going to be my first day trying it. It's actually afternoon here on the East Coast, so I'm going to be doing it later today. So, get started. So, this is a calendar actually. And it says, thank you for joining me on this Barre blend journey. I am so excited to spend the next 60 days with you, exploring my favorite disciplines of ballet, Pilates, and cardio. Through these workouts, you'll discover self-expression will energize your body and your life. With this newfound energy comes a long, lean physique, a strong core, and a lifted booty. I'll be with daily motivation tools to help you live your best authentic life. Well, that's cool. So 4 phases, 5 workouts a week over 8 weeks, 30-40 minutes a day. It's low impact, so this is for good people. Like for me, I have a really sensitive IT band, sciatica sometimes acts up, and my knees are just not that great. Minimal equipment is required. All you need is like a sturdy chair to help you, or a countertop that will help you. You'll need light weights 1 to 5 pounds. I'm gonna actually use cans because I don't have 1 pound weights. I do have 3 pounds and 5 pounds, but I don't have 1 pound. All fitness levels and daily motivation. So I already took my before photos, are already done. I'll update those later. Beachbody nutrition guide and plus pay in the first workout, and then we will have our workouts here. Measurement, you can put your measurements in here too, as you can see here, and enter in the Beachbody challenge. So this is cool, I like this. And here's the calendar. So I'm gonna hang this calendar up, and I'm gonna be crossing these out as well as I go. And let me see what else is in here. Oh, and here's a nutrition guide as well. Oh, it has like tons of recipes in here. That's pretty cool. And I already do the portion fix. I started with the 21-day fix, and I really like that program, so I'm gonna be sticking with that. But this is great to have if you want to try more recipes, and I'm actually trying to get more into cooking at home and like learning to more recipes. I'm not really a big cooker. My husband's the one who usually cooks, so I'm excited to get started with that. This is cool. A bunch of different recipes to try. So that was good. I hope you guys like this. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to drop down in the comment section, ask me anything you want to know. Like I said, I'm here to help you. And if you want to get started, feel free to message me at any time. Also keep negative comments to yourself. Like I said, this is my journey, and I want to inspire and help other people too. So if you want to join me, go right ahead. Like I said, like and subscribe, and message me anytime that you need anything. And I hope you guys hopefully got to talk to you guys soon, and I'm excited for you guys to see this journey. And so, Curvy, Confident, Fit, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.